I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. So, how to measure for Mercedes wheel spaces?
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind.
Using a metal ruler, place a straight edge on the outer part of the rims, where the wheel comes closest to the fender. Then measure from the outside wheel to the straight edge. This distance is the size spacer you will need to achieve the look that flushes or nearly flush with the fender line.
New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last.
BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade Ford 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high-strength wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high-temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory. OEM and ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bulk pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3mm thick to 160mm thick are available.
Picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about these wheel spaces, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.